How to connect HonorPad 9 keyboard. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect a keyboard to your HonorPad 9, whether using the official magnetic keyboard or the Bluetooth keyboard. It's quick, easy, and perfect if you want to turn your tablet into a productivity machine. Let's get started. Part 1. Connecting the official magnetic keyboard. First, let's look at how to connect the official magnetic keyboard. Take your HonorPad 9 and line up with the keyboard connector pins or magnets. As soon as they align, the tablet will snap into place and connect automatically. You don't need to press any buttons or go into settings. Once connected, you can fold the keyboard cover into stand mode and start typing right away. Part 2. Connecting Bluetooth keyboard. Now, if you're using Bluetooth keyboard, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and put in pairing mode. This usually involves pressing a Bluetooth icon or holding Fn and C. On the HonorPad 9, go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth and turn it on. Wait a few seconds for your keyboard to appear under Available Devices. Tap on the keyboard's name to start pairing. If a chord appears, type it on the keyboard and press Enter. You'll see a confirmation once the keyboard is connected. Tips section. Quick tip: make sure your keyboard is charged and close to the tablet. Also, keep your tablet updated for the best performance. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to connect your keyboard to the HonorPad 9, both the magnetic and Bluetooth options. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.